Dozens of people gathered at Drew Park earlier this evening to stand in solidarity with immigrants. This was to protest Governor Ron DeSantis' signing of a new immigration law that takes effect next month. Supporters of the law say that it would help make the state safer, while those opposed to the law, they say limits social services for undocumented immigrants. News4Jax reporter Khalil Maycock joins us live. Khalil, tonight's event was about informing those who actually showed up.
Organizers say they wanted to let people who came out there who might have been undocumented how this law would impact them. They wanted to let them know they still have rights to prevent them from making rash decisions.
¡Sí se puede!
Andrea Reyes, an immigration attorney, is chanting to dozens of people who showed up Saturday night to a peaceful protest. They called it Vigil in solidarity with immigrants.
Aquí estoy contigo.
They're all here in opposition to DeSantis signing a new immigration law, Senate Bill 1718. DeSantis has said this law will help Florida become more safe. The new law does things like require business owners to use E-Verify to check employee work eligibility, suspend employer licenses for unqualified workers, and requires hospitals to collect data on immigrants without legal status. However, those in opposition to it say it hurts undocumented immigrants.
They're not a threat.
Organizers of this event say gathering everyone out here was important. They did it to dispel some of the rumors that have been circulating around about this law, which have led to what they're calling unintended consequences.
It's going to ease some of that panic that has led, over 100 families in Jacksonville to leave. We've already had over 100 families in Jacksonville leave the state of Florida. They've gone to Georgia, they've gone to South Carolina, North Carolina.
Reyes says those families leaving the state could hurt the economy, and they want to limit that as much as possible. Also at the event was JSO's International Affairs Unit, who also deals with immigration. Organizers say it was important for them to be here so people who might be undocumented know after this law goes into effect, they still have rights.
They have all the same rights that any U.S. citizen does, and so it's important for them to know that same rights apply to everyone.
And organizers say they will continue to make sure that they are getting the word out to undocumented immigrants that they still have those rights, to make sure they have all of the facts. Reporting live, Khalil Maycock, Channel 4, the local station.